Behind me is the 2023 Venom 3815TK. We are Funtown. Let's go take a look. Towing a fifth wheel, your biggest enemy is going to be bumps on the highway or changes in elevation. This is the Kurt Tri-Flex, not going to be a problem. This generator is going to be a $6,700 Cummins generator. If you want to pay more money and have one installed from another dealership, that's your business. If you want to save money, we got you covered. In this pass-through, you're going to have a pre-mounted TV mount in here. So if you want to get a 25-inch TV out here to watch the game or Yellowstone, you can definitely do that. Also, you got pre-wire for solar. So if you want to get power from that big ball of fire in the sky, you can do that. This Venom is going to have a full patio on it. You're going to have tons of space for beers with the guys. You need space for the kids or the dog. It's up to you. Whatever you want. You got handrails all the way around. You got a baby gate. Wouldn't recommend leaving your baby out here, but it's up to you. This is going to be a toy hauler. So what that means is you're going to need to fuel up your toys. You're going to have a fuel tank on here with a pump. So if it's going to be your side-by-side, motorbike, gasoline golf cart, even a Mini Cooper if you want to try, you got plenty of options. This Venom is going to be one of the best toy hauler options we have. Me personally as a guy, it's not going to be the hitch, it's not going to be the garage or even the patio. It's going to be all the space you have in here. You have tons of storage, tons of cooking space, a massive fridge, and also you got a TV pre-mounted from Funtown with a Thomas Paine recline area. You're also gonna have an awesome bar area. And of course, this being a toy hauler, you're gonna be out on those sand dunes. You know just as well as I do, water is not allowed on the dunes. You're only drinking beer. That's why you got the bar right here. You might be saying this looks like the best seat in the house, and you would be wrong, because this TV can actually swivel out. This TV is gonna give all four recliners, yep, all four of these are recliners. It's gonna give you a view of the TV for game day. The garage is gonna give you a great option. You got two different sleeping areas or lounge areas. If you got kids coming with you, they need a place to sleep. You don't want them clogging up the living room. Got tons of space in here. And if you need a little bit of extra storage, just remove the mattress. And if you stopped at Taco Bell on the way to the campground, you got your own bathroom in the garage. The bedroom in this Venom is gonna have a nice big king size bed. You're gonna have storage in the slide to the right of the bed, and you're also gonna have a combination washer dryer prep. The bathroom, of course, is gonna have your porcelain throne, as you should have in the bathroom of your RV, and gonna have tons of counter space and a full stand-up shower. Thank y'all for watching. At the end of the day, we want you all to get out in the campground, have fun, make some memories. Feel free to subscribe. We want to see y'all here. We're going to be making tons of more content. And don't forget, the fun starts here.